Alright, here we go. This is the 8-inch tractor with a little progress update. Leave it to me to get a tractor and start tearing everything down. So last video I was messing with the brakes. Ended up grinding the adjuster. And the drums slide on and off. So if they need adjusting, I can adjust them out and that'd be fine. So this is what I've done. I started pulling all this old janky stuff out, man. I mean, yeah, I'm using butt connectors and heat shrink and all that stuff, but what they had was just awful. I mean, one wire tied together with different wire 7-8 times just for the length of from the alternator to the battery and such. So reworked the wiring. Had to put a new voltmeter in because the way they had the other one wired up, they just fried it. I don't even know how this thing didn't catch fire. Most of the wires were burnt, but it was running. So fenders off, hood off. Rewired the alternator as well. Painting some pieces here. This is for the spark plug wires, air intake tube. I'll be painting the bumper, the wheels, the hubs. There is the centers. Let's walk around here. Here's the bed that I quit messing with temporarily. So all this is getting sanded. That's first little skim coat to fill in the low spots. Fender. So that's where I'm at. Just a little progress update. Thanks for watching, guys.